you feel tired and needs a fast energy booster? I have a natural solution for you. Most people believe that bananas are a fruit that boosts strength. It provides far more than just your calories. Bananas have a large variety of nutrients that everybody requires for a good physical condition. There are some important health advantages of drinking banana juice, which make it a good fruit for all. Here are the 5 benefits of consuming banana. 1. A great vitamin source. Banana is renowned for its abundance of vitamin C, B3, B5, and vitamin B6. A large source of essential vitamins. Such vitamins support the immune system very well. The daily ingestion of banana juice increases immunity and stimulates the nervous system as well. 2. Improved digestion. If you consume banana juice daily, you won't have digestion-related health issues, for most cases. Bananas are fiber-rich and fibers are considered very useful for food digestion. It improves the movement of food consumed in the food system. All the food you eat is well absorbed and you don't suffer from digestive health problems. This is also effective to prevent conditions associated with bowel movement. 3. Enhanced brain power. Parents can offer 1 glass of juice every day at breakfast as it improves the memorizing capacity of their children. The study shows that bananas' abundance with potassium, and potassium is needed to improve brain grip strength. 4. Energy booster. This fruit is referred to as the natural provider of glucose and fructose, the 2 necessary sugars. There is no better choice than banana juice to get an instant power boost. You will take your strength to the next level and obtain ample power for several demanding jobs without feeling tired. It functions for anyone who needs more strength, as a great athletic and energy booster juice. 5. It is a stress management system. Tryptophan is necessary in order to increase serotonin development, which eventually will help boost consumer mood. This provides you with a rich supply of tryptophan and will keep you calm. 6. Blood pressure. It is known that salt is responsible for high blood pressure. Bananas have a low salt content and a high potassium content, and these properties contribute to making them ideal for those under this condition. 7. Bananas may aid weight loss. Initially, bananas have relatively few calories. An average banana has an average of 100 calories, but it's nutritious and balanced as well. The high fiber content has been used frequently to reduce body weight and weight loss. In addition, unripe bananas are filled with starch, making them highly filling and reducing appetite. All these advantages of banana juice health prove to be one of the most essential health drinks. Hit the like and subscribe button, and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next. Do you agree with our list? Join the discussion and let us know in the comments what you think. If you'd like help putting these cool ideas to work in your fitness journey, get in touch via the link below. We'd love to help you.